If you haven't tried puff vinyl yet, you are missing out. It's a lot of fun and adds amazing dimensionality to your projects. The top design is regular HTV, but the bottom one is puff vinyl. My friends at Yamation sent me this puff vinyl to try out. It came in a variety pack containing 30 sheets in 14 different colors. I wanted to create something simple, so I chose a design I've done before for myself. I'm using my Cricut Joy Extra for this project, and when I go to make it, I save myself some time by combining two matte colors into one. To do this, you simply click on the triple dots on an image that you want to move, and then choose the matte you want to move it to. From there, you can arrange the images however you want. I found that the everyday iron-on material setting worked perfect for cutting this puff vinyl. And just like with other HTV projects that contain words, you want to make sure that you mirror your designs before cutting them. You also want to make sure that the shiny or pretty side of the puff vinyl is placed face down on your mat, so when you iron it on, it will read correctly. Putting it through the machine and using a fine point blade to cut worked perfectly. Weeding puff vinyl was easy, and it felt like any other HTV material that you would use. The difference is in the end results, and wait until you see it. I'm using my HTV Ront Auto Heat Press and setting the temp to 300 degrees like the directions say, and setting the timer to 10 seconds. I pre-pressed my shirt to remove any moisture and wrinkles, and while that was happening, I layered my two colors and folded them in half to find the center point. I positioned them on the shirt, and I used a ruler to measure about 3 inches down from the collar. I then removed the white layer and only pressed the red layer, but forgot to hit the record button when I did that. I did a warm peel on the red, and then I added the white layer by simply positioning it where I wanted it and pressed again for 10 seconds. After that 10 seconds, I let it cool down for just a few seconds, and then I went ahead and removed the backing. This did not hurt or damage the first layer at all. And look at how nice it turned out. I absolutely love the dimension and texture. I highly recommend Yamation's puff vinyl. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share. We've got new content coming out all the time.